Hey, Halifax, Brenda K here with the Halifax Home Selling Group. Sweet Miss Frankie right beside me on my desk here. Oh my God, where did January go? I can't believe it. I'm out in the corner by the way. Hello. January is gone already. So what happened in January? Wow. Well, let me tell you, it was quite a different January than it was last year. So let's take a look and see what's going on here. So we have, I had two come up at once here. Just let me go back a screen and see what's going on. And we are having technical difficulties here. Let's try it again. All right. Hey, thank you so much for sticking with me on this. There we go. Active listings. We got it. 533 active listings right now. And you can see last year we were at 179 listings. So it's going to surprise you when you see we actually had more units sold. Look at this. Even in 2020, look, 1263. So 2019 has gone off there for a while. So the number of unit sales, 182 this year, as opposed to 242 last year. And you can see the difference in the inventory. So what is going on is just everybody's just kind of sitting back and going, what is going on with the market? The market is really strong here in Halifax still. We really have, even at 533, we really have a shortage in certain price ranges. We're going to talk about that later in the video. A lot of people are holding back. You can see sales year to date. Of course, it's the first month, so sales year to date are the same. Thinking, I'm going to wait till interest rates come down. Well, acclimate to the new world of interest rates. They're not going to drop crazy. We're never historically going to see them again like we did a year ago, February at 1.89. So days on market, 44. So we are up 20 days. And as I do them each Monday, they really have gone from like anywhere from 28 to 41 in 1 week. So they really are changing depending on what's been on the market. So we have, if nothing else was listed, we have 1.3 months supply, where last we had like 1/3 of a month. So we had 10 days last year. So now average price, and I really want to talk about average price, and I've got a slide at the end that's really going to show us a lot about that. So the average price, 549, and that does, you can see here, let's look at 2020. So this is our first year in the pandemic, was 2020. The average price was 338. Here it's 549. So, you've got over 200,000 that real estate value has grown. Could it have sustained where it was here in 2002? Absolutely not. It could not have. So the percent to list price, 98%. So we're still, like I said, we're strong in the market. The frenzy, the overbidding, is it completely gone away? Absolutely not. 30 offers on a home in Cole Harbour last week. So there still is a little bit about it. And again, we're going to talk about it at the end of the presentation. So appreciation shows here. And this is what is huge, people. This is so big. You got to listen to me here. It doesn't mean the value of your home is going down. Okay. I'm not going to lie. If you bought it in the frenzy in the pandemic, well, yes. Are you going to sell it this year for the same money? No, you're not. Even 10, 15 years ago, 20 years in real estate, if you bought a house 1 year, could you sell it the following year and make money on it? No, normally you couldn't. It would take anywhere from 3 to 5 years to get appreciation enough that you could say, all right, I've got enough equity, I want to sell my home. So I don't want anyone to think that the home value is going down because of that. And I'm going to show you at the end of the slide what that means. So let's talk about the unit sales last week. So we were over here, we were high with 19, Sackville and Beaverbank. That is the winner. That's always the winner. That is awesome there. And then we've got our low. We've got 2 just here in Central, which is a small district to start with. So the average sold price, we are high here in Halifax at 781,000. I'm going to just slide myself down for a minute here. And Lawrencetown, Porters Lake, Halifax East, we've got our low at 232,000. Kind of strange out there, but there was a lot of lower price homes that sold in the month of January out there. So let's get our next one up here. We're having a little bit of technical difficulty again. All right, gonna have to fix this. All right, we lost the slide this month. All right, I'll have to figure out what's going on there, and I'll have it fixed for next month, I promise. This is actually a really important page. And this is why I want to talk to you about, just because the appreciation is down over 5% does not mean you are losing value in your home. Okay. It means that grouping of homes that sold in January of last year were of a higher price point and there were more sales. So your average price, it's definitely going to be up. They were getting more money last January. So, but it doesn't mean your individual home price has gone down as a whole. So I don't, you guys know I can get all kinds of comments here saying, oh, if I sold this year, I'd probably lose money because I bought last year. Yes, that could be true. You need to build your equity. Remember, the real estate market here in Halifax is normalizing. Okay. We're not dropping. We're not declining. We're normalizing. So let's take a look here. I'm just going to move myself over a bit here. January 2022, we had 242 homes. We had 35 of them. The average price was $850 or more. Okay. And then when you look at this year, we only had 20. So when that happens, when you get a higher value, that does skew your average, as we always know. That's why on my weekly videos, I always work with the median price point. So that is what was happening in January 2023. It's a whole new world out here with the pandemic settling down. The frenzy has settled down. But are we strong in Halifax? You damn right our market is strong in Halifax. And we are in a crunch for homes between 350 and 500,000. We have buyers that are crying to get into home and we have no inventory. So let me tell you, I'm a baby boomer. You're a baby boomer. You've been in your neighborhood a long time. Now is an ideal time to sell because these young couples are out there. They're looking to buy. They're looking to build their real estate wealth, and you could help with that if you're ready to downsize. I'm Brenda K with the Halifax Home Selling Group. I thank you so much for tuning in to my monthly updates. If you'd like to know what's going on in your neighborhood or you'd like to book, just click the calendar link below. Let's grab a coffee. We can talk real estate. We can talk value. Hey, listen, we can talk about French bulldogs if you want. I'm Brenda K. I will see you next month. Cheers.